So hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Strategy. In this video we'll be discussing about the branch selection in engineering. So in tseamcet 2022, so we'll be discussing about different types of branches in engineering and their job opportunities as well. So in this video we are going to cover most demanded branches in engineering. So let us look at those branches. So we have aeronautical engineering, civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, and we have electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, and information technology, that is IT engineering as well. So in this video we are going to cover all these branches and their job opportunities as well. So let's start the video. So first comes computer science and engineering. So computer science and engineering is the most demanded branch in present technology. So in present, opportunities are very wide in computer science engineering, and as a computer science engineer you can develop, you can test and evaluate the software that makes your computer work. And if you are interested in computers and if you are interested in developing, so you can choose computer science and engineering branch. And we have also specializations in computer science and engineering as well. For example, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, cyber security, internet of things, blockchain, and also we have the computer science and business systems. So if you are looking for a job immediately after your graduation, then computer science and engineering is the best branch for you. So, and it is the most demanded branch in the industry as well. So let us look at the job opportunities of computer science and engineering. So you can start your career as a web developer, and you can start your career as a computer science systems analyst, cloud architect, security architect, IT architect, mobile application developer, software developer. And on computer science and engineering and specializations of computer science and engineering, we are going to make a separate video on CSE and its specializations. So please subscribe our channel to get latest updates about all these branches and all these engineering related updates. So next branch is about aeronautical engineering. So if you are interested in aircrafts systems, and if you are interested in starting your career as a DRDO expert, or if you want to boost up your career in ISRO, so you can look at the aeronautical engineering. So it is a specialization of a mechanical engineering, and generally it deals with the science which is involved in aircrafts and spacecrafts as well. So if you are choosing aeronautical engineering, you may have the job opportunities in airlines, Air Force, and DRDO, Defense Ministry, and NASA, etc. So this is about aeronautical engineering. So next, let us look at civil engineering. So if you are interested in construction side, and if you are hardworking and you want to build up your own business, like construction business, so you can choose this civil engineering branch. So mostly we'll be dealing with the construction of buildings, highways, bridges, dams, airports, etc. And you can have your specializations in this engineering as structural construction, water resources. So all this will be covered in the civil engineering. So if you are interested in the construction side, and if you are passionate about building your own construction business, you can choose this civil engineering. So, and you can get the job opportunities of this civil engineering can be from public sector to all the central governments. You can apply in the government as well. So most of the government contracts you can secure using this type of civil engineering branch. So next, let us look at electrical and electronics engineering. So generally, if you are interested to work with the electrical systems, so you can choose this branch. Generally, in electrical engineers work on anything from you can say small pocket devices to large aircraft electrical systems. So if you are passionate about building your career in as an electrical engineer, so you can choose this branch. And you can have careers which include the power generation, transmission control systems, communications, robotics, nanotechnologies, and others as well, etc. So next let us look at mechanical engineering. So mechanical engineering, so if you are passionate about working with machines, you can choose the mechanical engineering, and you can have the core jobs. That means you can start your career with the core side of your engineering by choosing the mechanical engineering. So generally in mechanical engineering, we generally manufacture products, washing machines, so whatever, turbines, racing cars, planes, so all this the mechanical engineers will be doing. So almost everything they cover, each and everything in our society the mechanical engineers cover. So this is about mechanical engineering. So next we'll be talking about electronics and communication engineering. So most of the students choose this branch, and it is the most demanded branch in the industry. See, ECE includes both software and hardware as well, so which gives you software skills, programming skills, and also hardware skills, and you can have a knowledge about the communication skills and electronics, automation in automobiles, and you can have your career from sensor related jobs, and your job profiles may be both software and hardware as well. So generally ECE covers a wide range of systems from sensor to satellites. So if you are looking for a government job, or if you are passionate about higher studies, so you can choose this branch. Most of the students choose this branch for higher studies. So generally the ECE students, they prefer higher studies as well. So this is about electronics and communication engineering. So next we'll compare all the branches, and we'll see the parameters so which distinguish all these branches. So first of all, we'll see the nature of each and every engineering. So what type of job we are getting after the graduation, and next we'll see the government jobs. What is the scope of getting a government jobs after the graduation from this particular engineering, and what is the scope of private jobs, and how we can expect campus placement from these branches, and what is the salary growth of these branches. So let us see. First we'll go branch wise. So first we'll see the civil engineering. So as you all know, civil will be dealing with the constructions, will be dealing with the construction of buildings, machines. So our nature of work will be hard. So when we look about the scope of getting the government jobs, the scope of getting the government jobs is high. And coming to private jobs, we have limited private jobs, and we do not have much scope in private sector. So campus placement will be having the medium number of placements in the campus, and salary growth is also medium in this particular branch. So next we'll be talking about the aeronautical engineering. So as you know, the nature of the job is also hard, and government jobs are medium scope we have in aeronautical engineering, not that so high, not that so low, we have a medium. And private jobs we have a high scope of getting a private job in aeronautical engineering. Campus placement medium, salary growth is also medium. So next, coming about the CSE and IT, the most demanding branch in the industry. So our nature of work will be soft for these branches. So we'll have a very low scope of getting a government job from these CSE and IT branches. And coming to private job, we have a highest scope of getting job in these two branches, not only those two branches but all the specializations in CSE. So we have the highest scope, we can get highest number of placements from this branch, and we have a salary growth very fast. So our salary growth will be very fast if we graduate from these particular branches. So coming to next, we have AAA. Nature of work is medium. Government jobs are high. I repeat, the scope of getting government jobs for EEE students is high. And if you look at private jobs, medium scope, campus placement medium, and salary growth is also medium, not very fast, will be gradually, it will be increasing. And coming to ECE, we have nature is medium, government jobs medium, private jobs high, campus placement is also high, and after CSC the ECE students will be grabbing all the campus placements, and salary growth is also fast. So coming to mechanical engineering, nature of work is hard, government jobs is medium, so the scope of getting the private jobs is high, mechanical. So campus placement, when we talk about campus placement, we have medium, salary growth is also medium. So this is about the branch selection in tseamcet 2022. So go through each and every branch, and based upon your interest, select the branch, and this branch decides your career, and you can start your career from selecting this branch. So better be careful while choosing the branch. So do as much analysis you can and choose the best branch you can, and your interest depends. So if you like the video, please share among your friends, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.